Right when we get to a house is when the appraisal process starts. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how you doing?
Good.
I'm noticing that we've got in-ground sprinkler systems. I'm checking out the landscape to just see how it conforms to the rest of the neighborhood. The asphalt driveway looks like it's probably newer, and that's something that I'll ask the broker or the homeowner if they're here.
I have a whole list of all the updates that have been done to the house.
Yeah.
Do you like the realtor who hovers over you and points out everything?
Oh, you're gonna be one of those and follow me around like that, huh? I'm looking for those big ticket items, like when was the roof done? Are there windows done? Clearly kitchen and bath, I call those the sexy items. People walk in and they're like, oh, kitchen and bath. It's like, cool, but what if the roof is on its last leg? A roof could cost 25 grand. Windows, you throw 50, 60, 70 grand at windows in a heartbeat.
A common misconception is if you redo your kitchen, you need to have quartz. Well, it depends on the neighborhood, it depends on the value. Just having a new kitchen may be all that is needed. You don't necessarily have to spend an additional $3,000 to $6,000 on quartz counters because it may not make a difference as much in the neighborhood depending on the values. Is that a fair assessment?
Totally.
Do they need to have the home clean, show ready?
The house does not have to be showroom ready. I understand people are moving, there's gonna be boxes around, there's people living in the house. It doesn't have to be spick and span clean, it's totally fine.
If you have any questions, please reach out to Darren or I. We're happy to answer any questions you have about your home value.